Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you my Letterboard warmer from Scentsy. This was the warmer of the month for the month of July. And when I saw that this was going to be the warmer of the month, I immediately texted my Scentsy consultant and asked her to place an order for me. And she did. She placed the order the first day it was released on July 1st. And it was immediately on back order, but luckily she was still able to get my order in. And it finally arrived, so I'm really excited to open it, and I thought I would open it here and show you guys how I decide to set it up. Okay, so here, opening the box, here seems to be like the letters and the numbers, and it's in a little zip top bag, so that's nice. I'll just be able to store it right in the bag when I'm not using the extra letters. And this is a little bit bigger than I thought. I don't really know what I was expecting. I don't get too technical. I know they list the size of the warmer, the height. I just knew that I wanted it, so it didn't really bother me like what the size was going to be. But this is a pretty good little size. It's got this nice soft gray felt board on the front. Seems really just like a neutral color here with the light wood trim. It's got that kind of a bisque color glaze. It's not a bright white or a true white. It's just got your standard like built-in warmer area here. It's an element warmer, so it doesn't have a removable tray in this particular warmer. I noticed that there's like a little bit of glue showing here on the edge. That's not that big of a deal to me. Okay, so these are the letters and the numbers. Just take them out, give them a look. I think there's plenty of letters and numbers here for you to spell out whatever you decide you want to put on your message board. It's got some cute little emojis. That little music note's cute. I like that one. Here's another set of letters and numbers. And here's some more little emoticons, if you will. Kind of cute. The one with the little heart eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna see. Yeah, they twist off real easily, so I like that. I noticed that it has like a little bit of a tab at the end, so what I'll probably do later is go back with a pair of scissors and just kind of like trim that off. But for now, I'm just too impatient. I want to get a message in there, see what it looks like, so I can show you guys. And it pops in real easily. I don't really have to apply that much force, so that's a good thing. And I am missing a letter. There we go. Get it adjusted. I think we can all agree with this particular sentiment right now. Go away, COVID. Yep, that's right. I decided to change it out. Then I put it on a little side table in my dining room that says back to school, because my dining room is serving as a makeshift classroom right now for online virtual school. And I couldn't resist. I went ahead and pulled out just a few of my autumn decorations to put alongside with this letterboard warmer. And there it is. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.